Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a booster that just floated in a couple days back, and if you have it, I have some deals to make huge money makers, if not freebies. I think all of them are money makers. So this is the coupon in question, and special thank you to Deal Saver. He sent it along my way. I sadly didn't get it, but Cody and many other shoppers received it. I posted it on Instagram, and I started getting flooded where people were like, they either got the 10 back when you spend 10 or the 20 back when you spend 20. These are always your mileage may vary. Not everybody receives these boosters, just to note that. Even if you shop there every week, sometimes you don't receive it, but once in a blue moon, they do appear. I received one like 2 months ago. But where you will find this is at the top of your digital coupons folder. Again, a big your mileage may vary. Some more rules for you. It's valid from the 11th to the 13th, that window only. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It is of a one-time use. Do not use any store register rewards, IVC coupons from that big book of savings, or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up because this is like a spend booster. Use a debit card, cash, bills to pay the balance. Just really pay attention to that rule. And the next 3 deals that I'm showing you are in-store only. Don't do them as a curbside pickup because they involved register rewards. Let's start talking about the deals. The first one, we need our best friend loaded, which is the earn 10 when you spend $10. Again, valid from the 11th to the 13th. I want to give a special shout out to this lady, Lorena, over on Instagram. I think she has a YouTube as well. This is in fact her deal, and it is absolutely fire. I did it this week, and I really love this deal. So the first thing we're going to grab is one of these Venus razors for $10 on the nose. And then the big sister, which is the $15, it's those little packs of razor refills for $15. My God, that's expensive. Looking at the label, if you spend $25 on Gillette, Venus, these products, you get $10 back. Both of those products are tagged $10 in Walgreens cash. There it is. These are the digital coupons that you need to load, guys. A $5 off for that gorgeous razor. Maybe even search it in the app if you might have these coupons, along with the little best friend, which is the $7 off for that cartridge package. So how wonderful is that? Looking at the mathematics for this, grabbing one of the Venus razors and then one refill for $26 on the nose. Have your 10/10 loaded, that booster. We have $12 in digital coupons melting off right there. You're going to pay $14 with your debit card for the balance. Then you're earning back $20 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster, and then 10 for spending $25 on Venus Gillette. Plus, you're going to get back 2 $5 register rewards, so that's $10 back. It makes this deal free plus a $16 money maker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Devil's advocate question I'll answer really quickly. If you do not have the spend 10, get $10 back, and you just wanted to run out and do this deal because it's so amazing, pay the $14, follow all the rules. So instead of getting, this is $16 money maker, it would be a $6 money maker. But still, free razors. It is a little bit out of pocket, but still a fantastic deal. The next 2 deals are my favorite, body wash. Oof, I love body wash. So we're going to have our friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. So if you are so lucky, let me know in the comments if you received this guy. And if you got the 21, you'd have to augment the basket to get it to $20. We're going to grab 3 of these Dial body washes. They're 2 for $8. A question I got asked a lot in the comments is, well, the third one should be $6.29. You got the math wrong. No, when you're buying a sales price item, what'll happen is the first 2 will bring up for the cost, and then the third one will be half of that, so $4, and it's just how their cash registers ring up sales price items. So for 3 of them, it's $12, and when you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. This is the digital coupon that you need loaded, which is a 2 off of 2, a very generous coupon. Now go to your IBOTTA account and see if you might have this, which is $1 back. I did this deal back on Sunday, and it's already reset for me, so how very generous is that? I'm getting $3 back with this purchase. So looking at the mathematics for this one, guys, 3 of the Dial body washes, 12 on the nose. We have our booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. Subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital, you're paying 10 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for that booster, $5 for that promotion of buy 3, get $5 register reward. Plus, you're going to photograph your receipt to the IBOTTA app and get $3 back, $1 back for each body wash, making this free plus an $8 moneymaker. Let's remember, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend booster with this deal. So this is just a really fire deal. If you are a fan of the Dial body wash, I certainly like it, and I like to gift it as well. The next deal is really fantastic, probably my favorite of all of them. We're going to be grabbing 4 of the Caress body washes. Now, I will let you guys know that not all stores carry this. You might have to grab the bar soap, or your store might not carry it at all. I know that Dawn's deals in Chicago, she was able to find it right in the store. Maybe if you live in a bigger city, this might not be very challenging for you. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, you're getting $1.25 back for each body wash. So that's $5 back right there. Plus, checkout 51, $1.25 back for each body wash as well. Looking at the mathematics for this, 4 of the body washes on a BOGO 50% off is $17.97 you'll charge to your debit card. I know it's a lot. You're getting back a $1.75 register reward, $5 back from IBOTTA, $5 back from Checkout 51, and $10 back of Walgreens cash for that booster. So it makes it free plus a $3.78 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay, or it will mess everything up. Double, triple check if you have this booster and make the magic happen. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.